So this is a Smith machine shoulder press. Before we start, we want to make sure that the bench is either at a 90-degree or a 70-degree angle, depending on what you find comfortable for pressing. You're going to bring it to a place where, as you place your hands up on the bar, they're at a comfortable position for your shoulders. From here, you're going to make sure before you move that your lower back is fully pressed against the bench, and then you're keeping focus and keeping your scapula, so your shoulder blades retracted as you go through. From here, Ali's going to unrack the bar, and you're gradually going to bring the bar all the way down till you feel it, so you're able to push through your delts. From here, Ali's going to push the bar all the way up, and as you can see, as you come down again, you're only going to bring the bar down to about your ears or mouth level, whatever is comfortable for you, making sure that your wrists are comfortable, and for some people it tends to be on top of their elbows. From here, press up again, and just making sure that throughout the movement, you're keeping your back pulled back with your scapula and pushing through your anterior delt. And this is a Smith machine shoulder press.